Today we're transforming one potato into two different types of hash browns. Stay tuned. So we'll just begin by peeling our potato. And for demonstration, we're going to half the potato and use two different graters, one being coarse and one being fine. Okay, so we're going to use the coarsely grated potato to make a classic diner style hash brown. And you'll just begin by putting it in a bowl and filling it with water. That way we can remove all the starchiness from the potato. And we'll just let that sit. In the meantime, you can take your other half potato and start finely grating it to make a beautiful McDonald's style hash brown, but much better. As you see, the grated potato naturally has a lot of liquid in it, so you want to try your best to squeeze out as much as possible. And we'll just spread it out on a napkin and lay another one over it to squeeze out any leftover moisture. And finally, just fluff it out. So these are the two types of grated potatoes we're going to be using. I'm going to first show you how to cook the coarse ones. First we'll start by draining it out, and you're going to get a much crispier texture with this one. So it's the same exact idea as before. With the towel, you really want to put some love into it, getting all that moisture. Take your time. And you can see these are very, very dry. So now that we're ready, we're going to get some oil really nice and hot. Add a little butter to it for some richness if you'd like. And once it's medium-high heat, you're just going to drop your potatoes right on and spread them out nicely. And with a spoon or whatever you have, you just want to mold it into a nice circular shape. So to season, I'm simply just adding garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. And when it's movable and you see that golden brown color on the sides, that's how you know it's ready to flip. And I'm simply just going to fold it over onto one side because that's easier. It doesn't really change anything. And look at that. Beautiful. I really recommend eating these with some fried eggs, maybe some bacon, diner style, you know what it is. And that's really all it is. It will take you 20 minutes max. And for the next version, get a steamer simmering. If you want to boil it, do so. And we're just going to steam or boil our finely grated potatoes for 3 minutes. And once those 3 minutes are up, you want to run them under some cold water to stop the cooking process. And you've got your lovely potatoes, so get another bowl and crack an egg in it. We're only using like a quarter of that, so put that away or just quadruple this recipe. And once it's nicely beaten and fluffy, just pour like a teaspoon and a half over it, not much at all. And now we're gonna add in a tablespoon of flour and then our seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, the whole spiel, you know that. And I don't know why, but just add a little bit of corn syrup to it. It really, something about it, just add it. And so as you mix it up, you're gonna see it's a little pasty and kind of weird. That's normal. You wanna shape it up and put it in the freezer to chill for a few minutes. And just like before, we're gonna fry it. Good amount of oil so it doesn't stick. Medium-high heat. And I like to add a little bit of adobo. I just personally prefer it. And I'm not gonna say anything else, just look at that. And that is how you make hash browns. Way better than McDonald's, still McDonald's style. Let's give it a try. Crispy on the outside, incredibly delicious. If you guys subscribe, or you're already subscribed to our channel, you're awesome, we love you. And just interact with us, comment, like, just let us know that you're there. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace.